Thank you. Yeah. I mean, this line's still going to need a lot of work.
Why?
Why? Oh, because it's broken.
Because it's old?
It's old and broken, yeah.
What's broken?
Well, so it's originally concrete pipe.
Yeah?
And concrete pipe, the bottom of it will just eventually erode out.
Has it done that?
Yes.
So what do you do?
You replace it. So yeah, we're done with that. So we're going to locate it on the other side of the patio, and then Al's going to come by and then basically dig it up there and then rerun a new line.
Okay, so there's only, okay, I got it. You don't have to dig a whole new thing, do you? Just the bottom.
Yeah, kind of just the bottom. Yeah, because we're going to, they're going to just suspend it out, under the stairs.
Okay.
So it'll be fine. It'll work just fine.
Okay, that was Al on the phone, so I'll tell him what you said.
Oh, no, he was the one that told me that.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, I've talked to him several times.
Okay.
He knows what we're doing.
Yeah, all right. And then he asked me if all that junk was picked up. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Okay, I'll tell him.
I want to send him a picture because my phone's dead.
Oh, did you send him pictures?
Yeah, you're going to have to take one. My phone's charging.
Okay, all right, I'll go take the photos. Al. I love the guy, but oh my word, he's just such a hard-nosed.
Wants things done the right way.
Yeah, and he talks to me like I'm one of his slaves.